Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at a second type of homologous series. It's going to be the alkenes. Just before we do that, if we just remind ourselves of the word homologous and what it actually means, it helps us to understand the science that will follow. So homo means the same, and the logos means the same logic. So these are a family of molecules that have similar certain key features that make them all follow in a certain pattern. Okay, the four key features you need to remember are they have the same general formula, they differ from each other only by a CH2 group, there's a gradual variation in their physical properties, for example the boiling points will steadily increase, and they have similar chemical properties. So as I said, I'm going to move this out of the way a minute. As I said, we're going to look at the alkenes. The general formula for an alkene is CnH2n. Okay, remember n is any number. So if n was 2, we'd have H is 2 times 2, so H would be 4. In this family here, we're going to have a look at the first alkene that is going to have 2 carbons in its chain. So 2 carbons in the chain is going to be eth, and then it's ene because these are alkenes. The molecular formula for this, so using our general formula, so C is 2. H is therefore 2n, so it's 2 times 2, which is 4. And then the structure, because these are alkenes, they have a double bond in the structure. So there's my double bond. Remember, each carbon needs 4 bonds, so this one has got 2 already, so it needs a further 2. This one's also got 2, so it needs a further 2. And we put our H's on those bonds. So C2H4 is the structure for ethene. The next one I'm going to show you here is 3 carbons in a chain. So 3 carbons in a chain is propane. That is going to be C3. Come back to my general formula. So N is 3, 2N therefore is 6, so it's C3H6. Best way to draw this is to draw your 3 carbons in a chain, or with single bonds, and then put in a second bond on here to make it a double bond. Count them up. This carbon's got 2 bonds, 3, 4. This carbon here has got 1, 2, 3 bonds. So put another one here. This has got 1 bond, so it's 1, 2, 3. To give me 4 in total. Put your H's on the end. Remembering this should have 6 hydrogens, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my double bond in the structure. Remember, these are alkenes. These are unsaturated. Unsaturated because they contain a carbon-carbon double bond, and they're also hydrocarbons because they contain carbon and hydrogen atoms only.